If you have suffered from the spirit of rejection, rejection is a struggle. Rejection is a big deal that we suffer silently, workers of faith, because we are the only person that you feel it, you see it, you experience it. So if you are that person that you are struggling or you are going through the rejection, this video is all about it. And rejection can be defined in so many ways. And it is heavy as it is, workers of faith, the rejection, being rejected. Maybe you have been rejected on a romantic level. You have been dumped, rejected, romantic relationship. You have faced several divorces. Even if it was one divorce, workers of faith, it's the spirit of rejection. It is a symbol of the spirit of rejection because it is a response and it happened to you. You apply everything, workers of faith. You are being rejected. You go to the interviews, workers of faith. You have been rejected. Workers of faith, if maybe you have applied something on app or on your mobile phone, but the response is you are rejected because of this. You are not qualified for this. It's a rejection, workers of faith. Maybe when you are on the queue, you are not being picked. It's a spirit of rejection, but you wanted to be picked. That is the spirit of rejection, and it is painful to each and every person that experience it in a different way. Hello, workers of faith. Welcome to my channel, Works of Faith, the channel that will help you to improve your faith, to increase your faith, and also workers of faith that remind you that you are powerful. You are powerful. You are able. You have the divine power within you. You can do all things. You can do all things through the power that is within you. So I welcome you to this channel. This channel will help your life. Your life will improve massively and abundantly. So if you are interested to this channel to hear more and follow me, workers of faith, and what I say, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and you will never regret it, workers of faith. And for you, my subscribers, I appreciate you every day. I am grateful for you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos and liking my videos. So for this spiritual cleansing, to remove rejection, any kind of rejection, workers of faith, this is powerful and this will help you. You only need a handful, workers of faith, of W.O.F. I'm sure you know W.O.F, and it's so accessible for you to get it everywhere, workers of faith. You can ask about this. This is going to help your life. Make sure that what you're going to do for this, to remove this spirit of rejection, a handful of W.O.F. Yes, workers of faith, and you also need a pot. You need a pot to do this spiritual cleansing, and obviously the pot is going to be used to boil this handful W.O.F with water. So what you're going to do, workers of faith, you are going to fill this pot with water, right? And you are going to pour that W.O.F inside that water. Make sure that this pot is filled with water. Yes, you are going to put it on heat or stove, doesn't matter, workers of faith. You are going to let that water to boil and make sure that that water is going to turn brown. That W.O.F is going to spread itself and boil and release the color of it in that water. Make sure that you see it like that, workers of faith. Right? That is a powerful mixture, workers of faith. So while that pot is boiling with water and the water is changing color, workers of faith, you are going to put a table salt inside. You know the power of salt. Salt is powerful. You are going to pour it inside that pot while it is boiling and let it boil with that salt. After that, workers of faith, you are going to obviously remove or switch off the stove for that water to cool down so that it can be safe for you to cleanse yourself with that powerful mixture to remove that spirit of rejection. So after it has cooled down, workers of faith, you are going to have to pour it, workers of faith, inside the bathtub or whatever that you used for you to bath. You're going to pour it inside and get inside, workers of faith. Pour yourself from head to toe. You can carry with your arms or whatever that it is easy for you to carry that water, for you to pour it from your head to toe. Remember, the thing that it must not be left, it is for you to speak, to affirm, confess, or pray. Right? For example, workers of faith, say these words, and words are powerful. You are going to say, I am releasing the spirit of rejection. Wherever I go, I am chosen. Whatever I want, I am qualified to. I am qualified. I am worthy of whatever that I am being chosen to go. That interview or the interview that I'm going from now on, I am chosen. I am chosen and I am seen anywhere and everywhere. My relationships, I'm safe, I am valued, I am seen, I am accepted, I am qualified, I am being seen. So you say that, workers of faith, the way you know what rejection that it is happening in your life. And after that, workers of faith, get out of that tap. Don't dry yourself. Let yourself be dry. After you are dry, apply yourself your lotion or whatever that you apply on your skin. Apply it. Know that you are cleansed. Know that you are accepted. Know that you are a qualifier in every way, shape, or form. Relationships, a job, anything. Know that you are being qualified. God has qualified you. You are qualified. You have taken your power back. You have prayed. You have taken the action. This is an action. It's a step of faith that you are removing this. You are cleansed. You are clean, workers of faith. Release the old thoughts of how the things used to be. Remember, accept yourself so that you can be accepted. Qualify yourself so that you can be qualified to anything for everything. Right? This is powerful, workers of faith. Do this anytime you feel the need or the feeling of being rejected. Do it with faith, workers of faith. So thank you, workers of faith, for watching this video up to this far. I wanted to share this because this is powerful, workers of faith. You are no longer being trapped by rejection. You are no longer being controlled by the spirit of rejection. You are free now. Be happy, rejoice, and live your authentic life, workers of faith. So this video will end here. Please come back and comment how this Lindsay Workers of Faith has worked for you, and so that you can encourage other people to continue this spiritual work so that they cannot live under the control of the spirit of rejection. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that, workers of faith. Like this video, and I will see you on the next video, workers of faith.